So if you haven't already guessed, this video is going to be about Will and his carving. This video is going to be dedicated to this fox that he did, and then I'll do another one for each of the animals with whatever video footage that I have. Not a professional at this. I do it as a hobby, but Will really wanted to have some recordings, so thought I better do some longer in detail videos of how these things are done and how Will does it. So yeah, we thought this would be pretty cool, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Sorry about the choices in song. I'm very restricted. I did a video, it got flagged and taken down again, so yeah, let's get on with it.
When you speak, angel, sing from above. Everyday word seems turning into love song. Press me to your world where roses bloom. When you speak, angel, sing from above. Everyday word seems
So that's about all the footage that I got for the fox. So I hope you guys stick around for the next few animals, and I'll do another video soon.